Yamapam school uniform, Yamano. Kabia, will be to me, and live to me at the school. Said there's a certain good summer, then big out school. Now, Papiano, when I warm meal, now what to do at now, and as many of them as we can find in the community, I'm sure so. You're there, so that you carry everybody along. There are good enough penny. Yamada Mubana with the support of Richard Lamford. The point of Ayamuna, although they are support and what the tie with the Martina, yes, about. Yes, about. But this is one of the tests of France. No, also the director for education and the heads for the schools and Ansah. I said that no currently I'm saying I said maybe may report here exceptional or directed. Why it is exceptional is because I'm blessed to have a chief, a king, a landlord who is so passionate about my work. And I'm not saying this with any regrets. Monday I came to work without washing down. Because the time Nana called me was very early and there was no way I could turn a deaf ear to his call. He said, "Mommy, you do tell," and I have been saying, "I'm getting the family school." Jordan, the senior, the stories are just wonderful. You could do and hopefully a cancer of a chair or fanata. There was another parent was, "Oh, minimum. National was said, maybe I better say the best school. You better come home, you better come on China number." JHS, the head was so happy seeing him back because of how respectful he was at school. See, a man, a human class, and from there, so maybe a chair we see there. Nana, didn't you mean I was and I was in the education board, more than my media. Fatima, Akuapem of young reports, you're very enriched. These are the practical things they expect we should be doing as CISOs and then as a directorate. I'm now wanting the Busuya. See, the better was my says a customer story in every idea linked to me every meet expectation and patrol with your mobile. Now, boy and Sarah, we'll get there. We'll get there. Sincerely, sometimes, and I said, this is my third meeting. Like I was said by 11, the paper maybe have. But some will meeting on my phone. Some will meeting on Mafe. And some are your third meeting. See, most of them are late to cry. And I'm patrol. Family naturally. You so, was a very human, said a very. I don't know if you are intimately. I said, you saw the assay and some assemblyman. Say, if it's in the front, one car, one corner. Nana, yes, or say, they knew now what he said, now, Yena do na, or walk with my own school. Lena one were out for my Casat, me a 2 in our back. Wadaroma, it's me at the woman, so I could send wedding or also, you know, everyone. Not get us. Then the master does. I'm going to some
I go by the name Daniel Ansah, and I'm the representative from Mafe Presby JHS. So we were invited by the Almighty of Mafe Akuapem to witness an initiative which he has brought in his community to support needy students in Mafe Akuapem. So I came with Gabriel, and Gabriel is he's a student who really loves to participate in school but faces few challenges due to family issues. So Anna Mafe fulfilled his promise and gave him a new uniform in addition with textbooks, pencils and books to aid his academic works. So I'm here to commend him for his marvelous initiative for supporting such younger and needy students.
So this initiative is really going to help those children and then the community at large. This time around, I think we don't want any of the kids to be left out. They are all moving together. So those kids, I think they wished to be in school, but because of some circumstances, they were unable. But with this aid, they will be able to be in school like the other kids, and it's really going to help them in their life and the community at large. When they are as they've been enrolled in school now, it will really help them. They've not been left out. They'll move forward. They'll go to tertiary, and then they'll come back to the community to help the community at large. So I think we commend Nana for such an initiative.
Medenana Aprofi Crab, the Omanfini, the Mom, the Pro Hinni, or Hino or Niamako. A year war central region or a Timopa Missum, a Timopa mine. Yabeta Osabarima Ansah Preaching, Zanamontua, or to a farm of Ram, may I ever boa or mining now. And Mofrana Dachin, there's Yenina, and Yawofono, Yamen, Papa. Na say fana ntumi anko school one da che no na ogboni be ka sa ye limited e be to sing kakra is one ntumi anko school nyuma na ade a ntumi ye isa wo be ye kua ana be kwama se asase kra di ha e kwama se asase kra di ha wo di kua enti school kola na ese ye di ye ntu so enti na okwan bi e be fa so e be pia omofra no ya mo wani eje school mo atumi akọ school say ya me ani bre na ye na say o be ka sa omofra akọ school na only uniform na ne nye eza mo na never from private school say o school uniform atito ana only uniform ana only mpaboa hye e me na ni nye school enti e be stra wo from so bia anyer no piano ba no banko school bo ho modern name baby bro na wo hweda wa hoden so ntumi a wo de ba mbanyin asonte opan bia e be fa so a e be boa na e pia fra e be boa awofo no se e mo ti ase se one dachi ene mo fra na na begin no abobra no aba hwehwe wo nti se ne wo so wa hwe no wa mpia abofra na afo na nyina ba pa ebe du bra wo so begin a obeye mra wo se an wadi da so se oba bi no ba bi gina wa ro na kasa no ni ba bi gina on tu me hwo enti no awofo no yesro won hu no se won fa no se bia ai se susu ana da is a we invest for where I would actually is a neno prepare on kakra now the pia amofra na nyin na o yemrewa amofra no no be ba no aba be hwo ti awofo no ma wo pofra no da achi no school ko wo ma hu hia on papa ba no won hwe no wo mo amofra
Meso me de Rotarian Mercy yenso efi road na yebeye adoya kakra mankola ewo district ha na eba na so na yenso yeniso adehu ni say ebeboa enkola the less privileged na omunye opportunity to go to school ye boa omo bibi kakra na yenso ye de aboa omo na eso omo bi a parents no enkola na person go school na parents ni bi nti ese yeso omo mfe kakra na enkola no etimi akọ school nti enene ebehu wa ni je semse yenso ebetai na nechi ma no so na ni so ade hu no ene ye de ni nyina eye pepepe nti ye ta nechi ne de abo nkola na omo wo district ha no mo etimi akosku akọ omo ni nti advice kakra be ma parents ne say yesram enye parents nko a enuanom na adofo a around ni a woni makola bia o betimi aboa no ama na kosku a boa no ana untimi mboa na behu ye obi ana oba na ko a ana no so de to ye ni ma mboa kakra ye nso ye betimi bi aboa no ye beboa to se pese akola bia timi kosku kakra uwie JSS ko na usia onsan no eduma ebeboa man no na aboa Ghana as a whole nti ye encourage se parents obi ama ni bankosku uhia mboa bisa na yenso kakra won ye betime bi aboa nti ene de ye beda na nase se ono so wan boa ye ma ya ta ne chima dumedi ewie peye nti ye de obi asase ene na ma ye nyina
apifo am se akrankra wo Mafe member Ghana member na ye had se ye pese the pejo adesua na mfra wo Mafe wonya fra no ku school ku di echi afaka wo se mo fa maboa ya so mo amfra we ye me Ghana men nyina wo se me Ghana men nyina je sere wo ha de se so maboa ye mo na mfra no